everybody. Hammer here. Got you with an unboxing. A company called Lanchez sent me this automatic transfer pump. They call it a pool cover pump. There's 1,849 gallons per hour, half-inch horsepower, portable auto transfer pump. Utility drain pump plus garden hose adapter with water sensor, automatic switch. It costs $100.99 on Amazon today. Can't promise it'll be that when you look at it. But it came in this very nondescript box. Inside there was another box. There was some blown up padding in this one. Keep it from bouncing around, not really enough, but it came fine. But I got a feeling that inside this box is going to be another box. This thing has a 25-foot cord. A 3/4 inch check valve adapter, 1/4 inch MPT drainage output, box, whatever that means. I think it means that your 1/4 inch hose will fit. Pretty much I'm going to put a garden hose on it, so we'll see what it does. It comes with some instructions, pretty nice packaging. Totally perfect shape. Nothing wrong with this thing from what I can see. Alright, so this thing has a nice carry handle on it. It's actually pretty heavy. A little box in here. Let's find out what's in that in a minute. It is wrapped in some plastic. There we go. Nice. So, looks like it takes water in the bottom. Got this little output, big output right there actually. And I've got the adapter in this box. Yep. It's also got a piece of string or rope, so if you have to lower it down somewhere inside something. Out. What all this is for? I'm guessing it's putting this on. Anyway, we'll put this together and we'll get back to you. Okay, so I've looked at the instructions, which were pretty basic. I actually haven't figured out what this little thing goes to. But this thing is the check valve. It says out on the outside of it. It's for the garden hose adapter. You put it in when you put it in like this, and it keeps the water from draining back into the hose after it's going. So I guess you put it in like this. Little hole, and you screw the thing in on top. Supposedly that keeps the water in the hose and not back in wherever you're pumping it out of. It's gonna work just fine. Alright, that's on. Nice garden hose adapter. We'll be back with a demonstration. Alright, we got the half horsepower Lanchez sump pump, pool cover portable water transfer pump. Got the garden hose thing on it. We put the check valve in there. The other one didn't have a check valve to put in, so maybe the smaller one has it built in. I'm not sure. Either way, let me try this one. 1,849 gallons per hour, but that varies depending on how high you're pushing it up and what you're pushing it through. 50 feet of garden hose here. Throw that in there. You have a 25-foot cord. I'm going to plug it into a GFCI protected extension cord. See what it does. I always would recommend that you use a GFCI protected circuit. Anything to do with water and electricity. Alright, I'm going to plug it in and see what happens. Oh, look at that. So, that's all we got for initial pressure. Pretty nice. Turn that off for a second. head back on it. There's actually two settings on this. One for manual settings and one for automatic operation. Under automatic operation, it will come on whenever it senses water to a certain spot. And under manual, it will come on when you turn it on. So, it's on auto right now, which is fine. We'll leave it right there. We'll turn it back on and see how it sprays. There it goes. Nice. It's actually a little bit better than the 1/4 horsepower, which it should be. So we'll see how that does. The water people. Looks great. Super quiet too. Alright, only on for a few minutes. Thing's almost empty. So if I left it on for a few minutes without that head on, it would be empty. Let's see. At least you're not going to waste the water. We pay for it here, so we'll use it to water the garden. Alright. Check them out, Lanchez. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Polish Hammer out.